Anybody interested for a PPT presentation kit for ISO 13485 training? ISO 13485 PPT training kit description is as follows. This ISO 13485 internal auditor training kit is designed by Punyam Academy to meet the training needs of medical devices quality management system auditors. More than 200 editable PPT slides are included in this kit to address ISO 13485 medical devices quality management system elements. The following are the contents of the ISO 13485 PPT presentation kit. PPT presentations, handouts, workshops AMP, case study, audit questions, audit forms, sample certificate. Contact us at sales@punyamacademy.com or go to www.punyamacademy.com for more information.